Ọhaneze Igbo mụlụnze m ọzọ ekenekwa m na ya bịakwa na ka isi abịa ọzọ. As in a drug massive support for Soludo. That now something fishy is going on that now they have no option than to do plea bargain. So actually before I dive into NMUO NMIRI AFULU ANYI, that's me his fake fentanyl and no court. Because a lot of people for that video but did not pay attention to it. So me play quite the video NMUO NMIRI AFULU ANYI. Then unenezia mpataza ayakuze ho mana before then the video ekehiti Melo Soludo.
Malezi ogu.
Very difficult of my mother on the death and when I court. Still against all money, man, father now, but father for all. So you kids father for all. So I'm not against this work. I'm not doing so much as a father. Come on, yes, I wear a family.
Okay, Mia.
Yes, I wear a family. As a father, only hope, I'm working on his family. I'm on many things in my life and my family. So I'm begging him, my family. And the council of the family loan are in charge.
What about you? The solution is working.
Thank you for watching. I'm going to follow video. Yes, I'm going to follow the next again. I said that now. They can only do plea bargain. And the bank where Kanjo is that now he doesn't have shrine at an abia. So I say go to demolish a shrine hit now. He demolish beer. So he may have to find another alternative, which is he rather serve his time and also draw massive support for Soludo. You got to go the same thing I call your memo pata. Man I call video go serve a bank here. You got to at least by November now or pata no long way. For now, I am about the situation report of Ekehit. Now, let us dive into NMUO NMIRI AFULU ANYI court. Because a lot of videos are fly. They post 2 or 3 videos about it so far. Nana, actually, no. So, you didn't the video with some missing points. My point you out in that video. So, the name of NMUO NMIRI AFULU ANYI court.
Just stand. Everyone is judge.
Let them. Everybody tell the
excuse me. Wait.
You can't take plea like this. So we tell the court that you are not ready for plea. No, he has to stand up. I don't want to go to court and strong. You walk on your feet.
Walk and be normal. Leave them now. Yeah, they still not.
Happy at all numerous counsel. That's nonsense. You're not going to now when they take a lap of my job. Never a mumbo can make a lag in never needs that is easy. That in a mobile humans. That's what doing it. So that come to court so that the court will handle the matter. You have to get down to this now. Is it not rubbish? Yeah, just imagine. If we're not corner, one for who I join them matter. Imagine me be a minimum.
Thank you for watching. I'm going to go that video. Yes, you have a video NMUO NMIRI AFULU ANYI. Yeah, we hold you at this disgrace you when I caught when you're saying on a fake fentanyl. Now, even him, the missing link is that now, almost somebody new cook at that place. I'm more money than I'm more no lawyer for everybody. He watch the security manager. One of them Chole Church. One of them Chole Church because they know that he's faking all those things. I'm not a fake. Even when this young man arrest cancel on that now. Okay, that this young man is not wise enough. That nobody not the wise. He should have separated his house from his shrine. The same thing Akwoko comment. Akwoko was only lucky. He was only lucky. Which I'm pointing alone out. But I see demolish go back Akwoko. But I see number. You demolish your back Akwoko. You demolish your which I gave my reasons. Okay, government will they can also reach an agreement. He can still buy up that place because as small as ever had it, government GM. During those videos, Kuchaya, Nketi Pem, and the bomb, and the machine, but I will take a video, so cool, need demolish your kabako. Because a lot of people be enough video and they say, no, Akoko Hotel was not tampered with, which I brought out a video proof to it. Now, Kezebe came 1 million away for each that somebody on that video background when I say, Nihon maybe home was that normally equally bigger court came again. Ega school is not a scam, and listening to people Kagemale here is not a boroni in sink and come. Momira for lying in sink and come. We will go see that and anone. He can you fake this thing for how long? Obono may plead again and ya. You will go court to make Obona court appear adjournment or not be a plea guilty. Appear bail or see you can hear you and along with it. Or Balo Kono. Amazia from May, June, July, we do go serve a bank here. At least by December, Mananka appear adjournment till June. We will be fake because when we appear adjournment till August. But then we are an attacker. Uzaku fake at the highway government apart alone Igbo. So that in our Atolojo will now come upon you. A lot of all these DBA supporters, so they are not which they are brain that they cannot read through the lines. You guys cannot read through the lines. These guys are guilty of violating Anambra State security law. They are guilty. Are they guilty of it by law? Are they guilty of it? Man, okay, Kezi, okay, you have been found guilty of this thing. There's an court. Kamalaka is in a court, between you and government. It will go mad so can go be set to Ramonia. Nehem me and kill my him. Ne amamnandali ne the punishment for it. Manamba. Court was nanya to your own thing as okay. I am an orderly wood. Man, okay, or your service 6 months, or your serve 1 year. By then, I'm marrying him earlier. Then I better invoke of that his land and all those things. I say, okay, na so but I don't have another one. I will get back to you. You're a lawyer, you can sit down again. A lawyer, okay, lawyer say, okay. At the end of the day, as funny as I will, must get demolition again. Since you don't have anything, why not serve for 2 years? If that one or that delegate, or accept that for that one. Amazing no Melana, court will take a Pia 3 years. Lawyer will pick when you quack in December 3 years, the car. The quite the reason that he cannot serve 3 years, and we take a okay, Pia 2 years and 3 months, or 1 or 2 years and some months, and Kahaga. Up on no long way. Because Emiliano Melana, he is guilty. So, same as in all this pimping, all these things happen, and I make a sena and a melon mother bell and onion camel and canoe. They are already guilty by law. Just like I need a madu, we are already born sinners by law. We are born sinners. That is when we become free from that sin and gain heaven because of the sacrifice of Jesus Christ on the cross, which we are being reborn by another sacrifice. The first Adam failed. Upon that his failure, we all become guilty of something. Jesus so being the second Adam and redeem us from the curse of the law. You're a good Christian, you understand what I'm saying. So you have just a typical example of what just happened. So the name is those because he was faking it. Because someone fake, those security people won't be laughing. They won't be laughing. They almost burst into laugh. You go. Oh, I'm checking Kuala because couldn't share this video. Kabana Rutila and comment section. God the one.